ndikubona oronga new balance new flow na ZOZO ndi new balance vabvudzeni zvo ri chidosi these days chikubuku wakachote ninga check up balance na bene ticha share
so
ukhomba na stene ngori ra ticho share
dzisatu vana vutanzi okhwatisedziwaho ngosunyiza nyika I knew it wava na ndava rite
so
sisenovoni wana guy anidroba ubiyosvika nichidozvipfo ri na I want to push my things up.
He wanted to take me where I don't feel like I was ready to go and I wanted to go, so I had to choose myself. So because
he was the one. Now I came to this industry when I've started this. Like now they are acting like they are the ones. But how do you respond to those type of shit?
Well, did you wanna start a vendor? So the thing is, maybe start a vendor as a me and him are calling tea. Such a work with a comedy, the music. Now I was taking comedians the Bapangaka music. So it's two different things.
Royal Gardens 2023, where by Chikonobiangayo. That was a Moemish. Actually,
that's why I know that Tom Tom has to respond as me. Now go beef when I'm and then we catch up, but we catch up, no respond. We was one as a spot. Sa metro so it is a spot are varela umwe petu kusika point nje zvipesana rakamisa avona umwe petu ne lukovhaririwa reference ndimizo so ndichiri nikomblocka vari dia block ila niyo nikomblocka ndiyo nikomblocka nikontiva ngomvarira mavoti ene munari dia block really block dia blocka kasoshala mara nene chiri nikomblocka roburu bakomblocka in real life.
OkrasmountzioN. Yeah, but for no reason. Remus. Greetings to the world, yeah, this is OkrasmountzioN. We out here in Africa, South Africa. Greetings to the world, yeah, this is OkrasmountzioN. We out here in Africa, South Africa, Limpopo Province, Vembe District, Toramera Local Municipality, to the local town is where we at the place called Golgotha. You know what I mean, motherfuckers. Yeah, as you can see, if it's your first time exposing yourself to this YouTube channel, please hit a subscription button. I'm very thankful for your support. Please return a notification bell. As well as upload videos. Also, I'm has uploaded something, so it will notify you in 30 minutes before any visual in another upload. So as you can see, I'm not chilling alone here. I'm with my half brother. The reason why I need to go half is because me and him, we are Geminis. Yeah, he was born on the 10th of June and I was born on the 20th of June. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So on the half we are going, way. And then the writing of man. I'm very thankful, man. Invitation young, by the way. Because I think unava tuvanjwa ndinodzidzivona interviews I was amsakodzita utongapondivo muhanerwa back in the days and I'd be like, yeah, I really love to sit with this boy, but ndimzola nende atendo chiona chimwe chidoitenga chimwe chacho. Yeah, because you remember na last year chikushoot into like 2023 rimaravuwa ningoenda paonenga ngafetnanga tisem we did talk and we were like dochila I mean but yeah. So I'm very thankful, man, or Ratanganeza invitation young. But now I'm just glad of what's happening. Kind of land and Andishkwambayone, Yarin is a Gemini. Because we will do things like differently. The way Rodoranga was Sadiki Ndiwanga, those kind of vibes. So I'm interviewing just a lot of people they already know Rawa guy, Sasa. Yeah, so let's jump straight into Kandabaya music. I ready to check another space Gemini, because Nabatu Nonga bo JR play. Nah, he is one of the Geminis. Do you believe in this thing here? He has just started I mean, or Jachimbedan Abuba Moto.
I don't really believe kadzi star sign or something like that. I've never made my research, and even when I had it, I've never been much interested kazo. So to end up not a form the theory or it's pure. Nah, I've never been that type of a person. Cause believe it, that's all. To one about it. Nah, one believe in Jesus.
Okay. But now what I know already. At the work and a strong or the minute in Chorovanandi or something. Zvini todo ni dike more than.
Yeah, that's good. Even when I had it, netongovadi wala mtu to the digesa.
Because the minute in Choromo's honor now, man, I'm more interested in this thing. Don't you want to check about Tonga N Facebook na and what June, what Tonga JR Sazanda Ziam, what Tonga TN, now what is Gemini. So now check already at the work comes to Kumber, but this is now.
Yeah, but it's history, so yeah, I wouldn't say that. And I think history obviously yashuma blind. Yeah, to very nedo I'm trying
yeah, but one never I can send you no chilana mfwetu and ndo ndizuyambo ndi wanga sadik. Yeah, to all girls ndi mfano no diva sa dick. What were I doing a freestyle? Because none of them do freestyle. At the are you ready for it?
I'm not ready, but I think let's just save it.
Magumoni.
Yeah, because I've these days I'm rebranding myself.
Sure.
Currently, I'm fit and I still do the freestyle.
Number one.
So now I've grown to a point in end of the story. No, freestyle it's a talent, no denial. But I wouldn't want to be a freestyler forever. So it was should be yeah, freestyler, freestyler, but I wouldn't want the topic of Farna currently give me topic of freestyle. So okay. I feel like these days to make the rebrand or no, don't look at me. As a freestyler, like that's the only thing. I'm just a musician, and if it's a lot, okay. A musician was freestyle. It was bonus. It's just an extra. It's extras. If somebody could say, "I freestyle," freestyle.
Sure.
Yeah, because I think I looked at it. It's not advantage. It's not disadvantage.
It's another one.
That is the disadvantage. Is if you don't want to be limited,
okay,
freestylers only limit because people will ignore your art in an aita and then focus on freestyle. And if the focus on freestyle, flop on the it's easy to any judge freestyle because you're freestyling, for example. Nichuko freestyler mutu konyaga bass.
Oh, yeah.
Freestyler having fun.
Oh, sure.
Bass.
Sure.
Okay, na freestyle I'm good at the bass. So those ones know you cannot brand it because when you freestyling, no this dance.
Oh,
you don't know what you go to freestyle as on the So it's because I wanted to brand and even a direction. Freestyle and a direction. That's what people don't know. The freestyle. It's just do it. So some musician and I go to the direction. Okay, the and there's a directive. Okay, this is how I want to sound. This is how. So freestyle, you cannot do that. You just have to. You have to let it. You have to let it be. Okay.
So zviamborini ngandira kwamba ngayo zvifanana nene unazozingiza nendo nichikubvisa mumburo kazo zvinezwa zvikoti yakaindustrial they be like bona kono the focus raka reaction page and you be like bro like ndi muto and ndivana mimburo mingi saka but the fact you're non dibera reaction does not necessarily mean urini I'm a reactor
and then full stop.
Sure.
Yeah, if I'm a reactor yari comma yari
it's easy.
Number one. So that's how I'm branding myself. Even freestyle you came the actor and the mini and then and a freestyler. So that's why even these days, but to freestyle. These days is different. Those ones are rebranding would work because it does work. Now what was freestyle. So pushing as a musician. And as a freestyle, but never hence performance when I was going to freestyle. It was. That was the face.
That's why
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, this is yeah, we have fun, but I don't think it's even less than 50% of the musician in the rebrand kai.
So karibia nepone ka issue ya rebranding. You came ka industry ngandaba ya freestyling.
As a freestyler.
Then jigijigi hadaba na sunonga sort of like it's remaking zazipiano.
Yeah.
Now
okay.
Kuna issue ine like is the hottest ine ringamba ngayo zvino yati gimmicks ine wherever chitanga pano ne Rude Kid vamwe vavotomu claim ozona kane I'm the one who started this thing. So rebranding from freestyling to remaking piano to hapono nerabaone. Like gimmicks, how did you find like comfort na udzura hone? Like rebranding igodoba yakwamana na gimmicks or Rude Kid. It's all about gimmicks kana zikoto chimira segment.
So this is what happens. With me, this is a game in the Genesis freestyle. Number one. The reason I came in as a freestyler. Ndoba ndichimba ndichino besides the EP na mini. I was just an normal artist. That's the sujune azungo dala. And the freestyle ndachizvikona mara ndasa mafindi yato ndiazvitesa. Mara sikapoint okay, let me go out as a freestyler.
So
as a rapper, I'm trying to maybe the freestyle. I'm just bro commander freestyle. It's just a freestyler. Now they was okay. I'm rebranding myself as a freestyler because I wanna first gain fan base. That's what I achieve. Sorry, if you meet any person in any deal, when you go to first talented, freestyle it's easier. Uri convince mutu how lamtu kanoti ntwere wakona follow yeah rather than go to kombo mfisa mziko wangu zvarenga. So if somebody is going freestyle, okay, it's interesting, mtu kanonya gunrepera out of the blue, let me hear. So that the brelez zvashumuri but wanjisa bokotomundiva zvino okay bachichereza mtu mfitu wakona but homo follow. And then another problem, okay, most followers ziko that's a freestyle and they think I'm only good freestyle. Yeah. I was like, okay, sit down with myself. Let me start rebranding myself. What do? I want to be a musician. Outside of a freestyler, when you go to Burita, okay. I was like, where do I fit? We're not starting music and I freestyle.
Sure.
So that's why the chitometa remake. I'm listening to a different type of music. I can wake up today and go Youngstana, Machoro go Drake, Bamachero go for Dexy, whatever. I used to, I'm the music lover, but so remake was me saying, the tremendous they were no okay. The guy who never excel as much better. You go back a reference or okay, you go for the Jason Youngster. Can you for a kill my vibe Youngster, nothing as one design. Then the remake a trick Youngster, the remake and the shoot under this. Next week, and then what people don't know, but what you forget is beat it that you do.
Yeah,
I go listen to a song. Yeah, my that's to remake it.
Yeah,
it was not.
So what is that? This has nothing to check the copyright or
yes, no copyright. That one people don't know. Yeah, it's to remake it. Tobori obviously more the element who follow that as the original.
The original.
The furi auto jua beat.
Sure.
But it was not like that. It was and the was chitu zichinchwa. Ngori zori zichia. Zito mara chirimeko bito rap.
Sure.
Zichia chichinchi wori. Nono zibazo a beat maybe aina party rap. Ikontro ndimbe. Rapanga party rapper because I know at this point I want to rap.
Sure.
So that's going grower ka production, knowing where do I fit. What am I capable of? If ndundo techereza nombora Drake achoko imba ndaitisisira ndapfuruki ndini akonu imbana.
But if I can intervene then that artist is a freestyle example. So that's what is freestyle kana somehow achita jota basi. So
no asa ngwaliyo utobori ichire freestyle yese ko brenda kundi freestyle wa off top zone
number 1
yoba ikadiva freestyle ngori ndo brenda ndo jena game ni sa freestyle. Now I'm a freestyler that's trying to make music. That's why when I watch in a freestyle. It was supposed to be freestyle because na dichi debero was freestyle. So nachi poto composer utobori yo yesa ngoto ngwaliwa it's still a freestyle but I compose to point nane ngada zunabala ni ndatantuye ya dzura na faya ngodzura ukuto compose wafana mzi mtu achikoto ngwala. But this time we are composing a freestyle but ikoto compose uri sound ngandere ine ikoto ibe musical aichatofana freestyle une ikoso kova free flow now akuto bana free flow if hapo kuchi kutori in freestyle ikoto iyambenga something rizongo shava out of topic ngori ko freestyle usina topic ringo ko freestyle na ngo vanda topic so I was trying to avoid that or the tomos with the one some how to make music. I'm learning to make music, but as freestyling ngona na mo say even today I don't really write. The only time I'm writing ngimsi ndichikoto ngwalela mungwane ndoto mo freestylela ndakazodura ndamwariro the reference.
And that's what I love about you. When it comes to the craft zawangwe, and it's something that I truly love. Feel that dude like respects craft yam in fact. Una track is not chifuna ya metro una track ya rich times 2 like you went too hard there and then I could tell home foot out on what it's a story for another day maranda ko do little compliment and I love na ko liamba so over ka freestyle so the yambo the cards remake so not cards gimmicks
so the vaka remake what people don't know just that I take what's working and then I continue as I go shoot. If there's one thing that I do and the research blind like I'm 80% of research. I'm 80% like if not look at something, they want to manage the research 80%. So the research okay. Freestyling as kapende people gungu re or anything freestyling. Also gonna point in zama 2022 first freestyle 2022. Your freestyle mara is beat is a remake is not what I was growing, but people was overshadow. Was as well. Come on the freestyle. Abachabo na. Okay, the freestyle mara asibiti amu auto become free to beat na kudura suzawe as ka point in first freestyle 2022 it was to my piano chincha ba hip hop still people was overshadow that's one of the them this is not working. I'm trying to work with the gungura freestyle somebody problem about it the EP freestyle but vanga bo connect and freestyle chona chimwe abako techere so okay freestyle fambana ani neziladzini somebody people already now want to develop a bad image called Rude Kid freestyle or freestyle.
Sure.
So I felt like, no, let me sit down and come up with something. Now I'm okay, no rap, I'm a rapper. The some with music. The only time in I tried this independent music. They want to engagement ikadipiro na freestyle. Now I freestyle couldn't be back. So if I'm not continuing with freestyles, I have to come with something that's working better than as a freestyler because I have to brand has to grow. So me just to rapper, no it as a verse, how other musicians do. It was not working for me. I want to go dita music. For example, in the love song under the poster, in the poster, little snippet and as one as engagement. It's not. People are not accepting me for that. Okay, cool. What do I do next? I do research. So the Kid Venda a couple into a gimmick. No, the Wuzuri, I want to do something that's different out of everyone. I didn't want to, that's when you go chimbiranga calling a momo. I wanted to be very, very different. Very different from everyone. So I looked down. Who's doing what? They said, okay, I'm a big fan of music. And they follow our follow. So I'm like, okay. Afro pop wise, the notion that the Zoba, I feel like Afro pop rap wise, Wometro Badia. Rap ineaba, ineaba Chifoloti, Rachakil wise. So, aspect in just the music, especially on hip hop, Zoology, another reference. And I didn't want to read. Ndichiko the rapper mrawange got the freestyle nandichi rapper first by Eminem so I hated the fact una reference I knew randa rapanga for pop do the fee happen kozanda samizo tana niko rosanya I didn't want da konyaguri ndibeka point ne
I want to be
nazuri ndo kwatisa mini ngori ndo tsasa beat za batho lachimi ndichi remake I wanted to point ne mulo rwango rilingo duba pala nenga YouTube ube una Rude Kid Venda type beat Jambore now you have to create. But ingasibe Rude Kid Venda type BT, usa the Rude Kid. Jambore I have to first to be different.
Sure.
Ngauri waba na bena boeta beat, abana Rude Kid type beat. Jambore ingasibe Rude Kid type BT of vakaya bena boy. So I had to be different. That was the first goal. Nenda kunyagu iricha. So to reach that goal, it all started when Diana Nazoma is a division of this genisa. It started when Mpona came through.
Number one.
When Mpona came through, Pona Chikorasa gimmick. this boy ukourwa mara sa gimmick. It's like this is different bro, and then just the manamo ukozvifuna ti mara ukozvi ukosaya mara ukozvifuna utomla ndori zvikuda this is nice. Everyone ukosaya ko munga ndichibva machiro nepalani tichijana kala ma video ampona ka TikTok but because it was gimmick, it was funny. And I've always been never to anyone diva ati kwati. I'm always a funny person. Na connect fast. It's this gimmick thing that's full. So say sabathu ndiyazvifuna zvono say ndiyazvitakarera blind. So ndazvibona so I want to atoita muzika wa
this type of thing.
Seisa. Nobody's branding themselves kasu zvono seisa. That's why ndichijampona nampuna ari ngori already izvo ufuna urichila zvawo zvaseisa. Danane ndichisvikai ndava ndingotomela branding ya gimmick zvinhu okay ari kuita serious. We are not proving any point, we are giving them what they want. Zvine ndizvo zvinoseisa. That's why nampuna bempuna achiita intro ndichiri chidoshiweiwei enovori nampuna ma darino vatu vaku ari wane zvonoseisa mapunapuna nduri zvaseisa uri chitanga chiri nedipi mapunapuna like imagine ngodividza mapunapuna zvaseisa uri vavetu utona uku zvamatanga yaapenda.
So I'm sorry to ujena. So are you in a position where you can say mpuna unleashed like a potential in mara, like you were not quite sure uijiana? Can we give those props to Mpuna?
So this is how I can put it. This is Mpuna. It was an idea I'm inventing. It was just a story. If I can put it like that. And the reason it was story champucheto ndi feature mponongori achimbudzuri ndondi chimtoda abakumbudzuri ya mna ni role model yanga ubamba so the reason I was working much with him vision elani yaona mara it was focus yasi wapo rakutoita kantani uri I'm trying to give Mpuna platform yori apfori osvika somewhere ngantani uri official rudekidvenda ngori he always wanted kumbudzuri ena chita the freestyle utovori ozvitanga ndira different mara ova kuzvita because the role model yao. So main focus was to give Mpuna platform mfetu wanga hai ngori ndikunibowana nikufuniwa and ngori ndiyafuna ne kutamburi mna mloro wanga ndo featuring. So the main point at that point we were just try so ndori rono ita ruimbo ria ndichisedza direction that's when ndakoniona potential na mina ndizongoiona after rono visa product.
And you were through the numbers.
Through numbers. It was through numbers. Basically, after numbers, it was also through engagement. Engagement made me realize, damn, this thing is working, man. This is actually working. And so I decided to okay, yeah, you know what? I think we have something here. I think let me continue with branding. It was not intentional. I won't lie.
Because by through the researches now, what do you what you've seen those gimmicks like?
Yeah, elani ikoshume elani gorina ndichita kumbona Mpuna ndova free and the very ndina zipunch ndina ambala ndasa kweta yazo. I was just being that's when I needed to go to Nepal and to it as a Mapuna. I felt like, yeah.
But I'm more interested in the number TikTok is something I can say you rely much on it. Like from my point of view, ucheka
so just to fast. Nendas I turned to TikTok. I was not a fan of TikTok, like at all. One thing that maybe you guys don't know, another powerful platform, maybe what today sleep on. Outside TikTok, the WhatsApp status.
Okay.
WhatsApp status, it's a 30-second, you know to grow.
Yeah,
back then it was only 30 seconds. So, nika WhatsApp. Never not the one about 5-6. Not the contact, what you could post that you I didn't know results to go back at TikTok. Let's ask the maybe what rock was one at Mara Nukobona Chitu, which one are you status? to me ndienda ndichijia ndasajisuka TikTok na ndichijia ngo ndikozvibonesa
and you are right because those clip ndafuka TikTok but at the peak of it ndio inatwa poster on
ati poster ka status ndikuibona ndi tuyakamumwe ndikuibona so I was not getting it from TikTok na ndikuiwana utori I didn't know they are getting it from TikTok and maybe ka TikTok maybe zviko trend now for me it was just okay ndasa chidibe chitu ndikuchidiba ka uyu ndabona mu ndori hecho ndikuchibona zvamburi chitu chivatuni ka vatu vane zvivatuni because people are posting it ningoduvana nenda ndichipost sa a WhatsApp friend na vamwe vatu so ndiyo naenda chiona the idea on ufana sa when I work with Gemini how video ya Gemini muse achiko amba na zodwa achiko chimwe ka TikTok I won't lie
like you
usika point and I search a video TikTok no iwana ndavanisa kuiwana ngorinande ibonesa ka status so it was not a matter of urinande chitwa ka TikTok I was just chilling at home nikuti antu kushumera na mimi na zote ndanda ndizone zo we metiki kezo so
ndirati brurumen kezo ovoya imater ya mtu avone vuchero
yeah
so like ndikodorni ndikozvivorni mapungoti manje ne but ringastori Lego Germany this and that like when you see that thing ne actually before because ndigoli for the dollar fanyana big shout out to RR man the photographer is the one and who behind all these things you can tell ngaru for or big things agwandi zvone chizvamba uru for and quality so he does almost everything chine chiva chikotoda camera vana mukala details zawo ndidzedzo dzine dzavaka screen yapo arangoda chimwe chinotoda camera mukwameni so checking the fact ne ya zva research dzawo is this something chine ringamba uri and also zvinodo muvuyedza because there are a lot of people vane actually I think you've reached that stage and like you remain true to your craft and you also put like sort of like I will push these things because unazvinonga achikorodzi freestyle odzirwa then adanga chipinga chadzireming a lot of people were criticizing those shit now atonga metro I still remember there was a line here dorni richanoendera nyimbo dzichibva those kind of vibes now when a lot of people a week before last if not 2 weeks back ndatichikona status chamutonga magebe I was like this issue already rom otenderwa dzicomedian dzichivotepa into space cha music ndizvone zvinokorichinyira music this and that and a lot of people richitidabesa vatu vane he was referring to people vane ringambo you are the one who went and take them apusha Gimmicks basically uri ndivone vane richitomo vadiva valego rova tomo diva ngazvo izvofamba lego na mean but you went there amjia Germany you went there amjia kwaru oyo kopamuriwa those kind of vibe you went there amjia mpuna you went there amjia zvazvinona tsvekene aitubva richikoshuta into chankoikoi you went there slay mama like as well like how do you approach those people like because the first process yawamza achisvika achivajia ndikoda udiva approach yawe na point of view yawe ka vatu vane a lot of people now are saying vatononga Rude Kid since is one of those people who are the pioneers of these gimmicks vakorichinya industry. How do you respond to that thing and how do you approach all these people because whatever was about music but you go there so two questions how do you approach them and
to answer the first one
number one
you remember na kwamba the research unamnenda the research so digital research yangai nandu ndizvona zviro vatu after mpuna to realize uri the research yanga vatu vafuna the influencer the comedian
so
to say remember tongori the comedian influencer the comedian vatu vaneva ku influencers social media ngazvithu zva comic
number one
when Mpuna came through he was rapping but zova zvichinga zvazovesa comic over music it's not a musician it's just a comic when Slay Mama came through navo ndichivasedza vova comic mana vova kapata music Germany over comic is no satumana music. It was just a comic and uzita cover video Lego as well. So with my research, they should be allowed the wazor before the to approach. Nandi would be mutu comic zawe. Namnezu kontakata. And you said the research. A lot of people are loving this person. Shambur at the end of the day, this is what's separating me. Nobody is thinking. Ananga bakumbura uyeta music with this type of people. Urela potential I want. Man then I was okay, this potential of merging comic na music. This could work, and it's working. More than a reference. No, it's working. So that's why I never stop. So the approach, the approach I remember the approach as Slema. Mami, if you kid in the aim, like over the video, wait and cat because it's true. And na muna muku ukobatakare mar zimwe bamba bakotakare manakasile mama. It was different because now bakotakire roba twanjise boba ko bagoda urabare chemzika.
Yeah, even I'm not doing muzika page na TikTok but bantu mwane man,
you know. But I'd never checked the tungobona the negative. I looked at it as a positive thing. Ndobona opportunity chine ranga brenda something. Ndobona potential
number one.
Uri she's potential because bana confidence ya uri however she's doing, however she's influencing people, either response is good kana bad, she has that influence. And the baba could ditera comedy baba could takadza batho. That's why I felt like I should come in. Mara every time when I come in, impact yangene na bantu dibudza noya ndaita plan kana ndoita uri it's to upgrade the person's craft. We upgrade and ngandira ifiyo njoita uri when the person is singing with me kana ndikombrenda kana aini with me kasile mama na ndikuruzvitira uri mwana macho kuri kusile mama bakovishwa bakombisa zvimwe nena ndikozvitira kanne na unisa dibe kanne I will make sure she sounds great. But at the end of the day artosha vana na uri wimbo rufaniro ba ichiko resemble bona ngori nimbo ruto resemble zisile mama ndi comic. That's why nichi wanori dzimbo dzone dziva dzichikofi ndi dzi comic. But ubo kutwa music wotse dziwopi we are upgrading a person ane udiwa sho zvinga zvizokuva staba putting it razvi sefa zvino zvisefa razvipanga tuna chingo induri now I was chapunda I can say I am much co-production kai lane nenda vakai rather than a musician. Or ni musician akuzokutamba beat na Rwanda those 2 minutes and over. So I was more na co-production. So the approach mutu it's simple. The approach nduri ndingo I ndikobona zvana zvikotakadza ndina ndira yori ndibona ngari rashuma rotate ngazviita na uri dzadi uri kuita mini mara ndina believe ya uri natondendera nisongo waranga lyrics waranga mini you just come the way you are na uri kazvinena ita zvone rizviti seani rebuild something chine ngazvozvo zvine vatu vako zvibona either zvikotakira kana zvitakaririwe. I see potential in what you're doing. Let's sit in studio ndivone uri kuitisa hani. That's why I always made sure nguri kare nandichibudzwa upfi rudekidvenda cooperate the beat ngadzi remake. I wanted also now ngono the one rock type beat dzinodzura mne ndedzipi. So now ndavori ndono na producer ne cause through process ngodoshuma na producer nje ndasvika point nenda wana producer nenda kushuma na sharp ane ava C4
ndi C4
ndichitosvika ndichiwana C4 C4 avori nawo ndichitomubudza idea unaye udosaya ati unaye sile mama masaya rama una problem but say ndovona ruditisa rajia sile mama rasukara dzura C4 ndiyasukana dzura tsini na C4 hava muthu une zvithu zvinotirana kana izvine zvavadopu so arizamuita something ezvithu I will produce everything ane avaone odzura ane kudoita zvithu C4 do kurwa beat chipinga basa kuita zvonda rai arizamurita so now I'm producing. I'm no longer saying kurusika ndiko producer ndichiproducer nditomongo producer the keywords kana branding nduri ndidanda tomo branda oyo ane oyo nkunga kamutu rawana chine chakushuma chine chakudzura in music form ngori zvimwe zvava zvisakudzura ka music form rashuma zvikera chione hey biti kotende zvizvi zvichi zvava zvikorwa so hey biti kweta so zvikotende ndayanda gudisa oyo mutu rest ndosuzana it's your copyright you must say it because artists usikapo internet zichipfidzi trend artist njisa dzoto sampler trend. I didn't want to be a sampler. I wanted to go to a person ane izvi zvokotakadza vatu ndamujiya avana copyright yawe ene munhu it's you rikofuna izvi zvahoyu
something zvinoenda zvibona. A lot of people that you approach vaba lego treke ido ambori rudekid end usually because unlike rudekid po featuring Chimani whereas poro tumuidiva kava lego
it's me strictly the rudekid end.
So like do you also create sort of like created because
I create everything.
Atina Spotify atina mini credit
so
like how do you work?
This is kind of one tutorial. The number of everything on the table.
Sure.
You know. Ngori nendi party ya wimbo kodeta wimbo ngezo zvam ronita wimbo you will have to ndivani kuti ngudzo sinde domuita you have to get DistroKid bamwe bavo no vanadzo bamwe vasina muthu asina okay onene akushuma naye ngori kanji vanhu ndashuma navo yana vatu baba vana vatu vane
vane vavona vanavo
vavatu maybe the manager kana vatu vane vako kana vanji vane ndavakuwana through vone so ndivudze muthu okay hamuthu vakotova vena DistroKid, sorry, this is where I am going to credit you. This is where I'm going to credit you. DistroKid,
sure.
I just give you information. The make sure to oita DistroKid or nichimutagana akonova aka platform.
Oh yeah.
Aka platform. Copyright. It's copyright now explain. Okay. How copyright? Everything including YouTube views and everything is gonna be counted as one thing. So it doesn't matter ulimboro post wanga so there's no need kabanji there's no need to write on a YouTube channel because those shumayanga already wana subscribe but likely there's copyright. All those views are going to be counted as streams not as views. Jambo streams dzikotukukanywa ngoro mtu una DistroKid uko wana percentage yawe ranga nayo.
Then how do you respond to but wananga such a vendor? Because it was the one now I came to this industry when I've started this. Like now they are acting like they are the ones. Though I took the but how do you respond to those type of shit?
Well, did you wanna start a vendor? So the thing is, maybe start a vendor as if me and him are calling tea. Start a vendor over comedy. Ne? Over comedy the music. Now I was taking comedians ndabapanga music, so it's two different things. Eno obakweta comedy nga music.
Okay.
So when comedy it's on music as a sound sharp, I'm a musician. They make sure a comedian who that a sound as a musician because my strongest point nduwe musician. Strongest point anga to sound sharp. Ene ukunya guru comedy is sound sharp. Ya richi sound sharp waburi muzika zotanga azuko sound sharp. So with me ndiende ka comedian wana comedian na make sure abe a sound as a musician. Mara key point yuri the comedian na music one the gimmick ntani uri zuko seisa. But zila suzuba zika point of music elementing when music kutomaka production ya beat idoba iko fita lyrics do mutu. After lyrics na content zichida ka music video zido futi za mecha zine oyo mutu nduri the branding. So olani he was just being a comedian nga music. So ufanana nyimbo dze abachidzite za tambera kandishi zvawa zvi off key ene nduri ndiko tambera kandishi iziko focusa ka aspect yova comedian but uko ba comedian nga music nende bandisa kujia comedian aso kodava comedian aba comedian udoba a musician. So that was the difference. So also confusing ngori uko bana the comedian dzishumana nedza badzichikubona sa musician and people don't see him as a musician because akuzibona is becoming a comedian nga music. So afongari we are on the same lane. So that's what made him think haben ndikare ngori ena chita comedy nga music netuko danda ta comedy ngadanda jazz comedian ndadzitisa music
zvine zvamborni ene munhu ndiye obaralo urida game
ndiye obaralo urida game
lina lopeza lichivori leader kapungo line yopeza kuva conclusion ya already even if who ini ane nozvitoma sazvino claims azvona but it's not a matter of who started it but who did it
who's doing it better
because like the numbers that you get it's something crazy. Like we verify. Then let's talk about like verify like per se. Ngane hela track in for you nine ishiva. Ya you rongondo ka go down. Palani like osumizani was it a deal ine yakubva ka go down hebe yataka root kid kana yotova issue yorini zvazvinova Germans avangandorwana vo craft nyana dza murao zvazvinova kudidhiverwa German like vakudhiverwa go down because lyrics zote dzi evolve around go down like how did you go?
So one thing about me, because I'm a musician, this will look make sure we don't have to go out of topic. If ndava ndojia sampuna ndokombecheze mbanga mapuna puna cause what's more topic ndizvampuna mapuna puna
amchincha.
So it's branding this thing, and if you're branding you have to focus at the key point. This is what ndichipi chine chakushumisa kandi ndichipi chine chavesa vathu rashumisa sachona zvamburi zvimwe na zvimwe zvothe rotozvivechera tungo rafocusa kaya zvo branda izvo zvitonga icho chine vathu vakuita mini vakuengejesa kacho ufana namusi ndichishuma na Gemini rotom nga ne
sure
yova yo focusesa namusi ndichidanga dzivesa ive yo focusesa more nga zvine zvakufunisiwa zvine murume wabhara bad namusi ndichitwa mavhese wabhara bad
so
like ndiva ndiko complimenta zvine already zvonova vathu so namusi ndichita verify zvo zvazvivatuni vatova kuita zvaverify zvago down mutu akuita zvaverify achikwama anga go down so it was gonna be irrelevant if I don't come talk about go down. Exactly. So I am actually engaging kana ucomplementa exactly zvine vathu vakuengage ngazo if ndosvimisa key point verify okay ndoita research keep verify mwana macho verify ukwamba nguru ukwamba go down brother mo verify go down mwana mo kwamba go down so I had to understand the assignment nane ruimbo ngoni I'm coming as a musician I have to compose it based on what people the key point is the content or ndiyamenga go down ngodi zvazvo zvine key point that resemble zvo
but mratu ardora vese impact hela track I think go down your value the dibe ya rhythm verify but the minute that songs dropped ndomuzori nani nje unaenda vandione pitori zvazvino matswana na bamini ndado karika I know there's no way bro orini oko verify ingasi bad like oko verify
and immediately it's a help
ndawe then the other day I laughed bro like which go fini man actually I'm the one who posted it and I was like abe ela track yayobva comes by German which go then he ended up like hearing like some English people or white people saying this car goes very far then by Germany varini car it go very far but like ene na comes na Dr. Bubuzo rala aungova vona zvimwe zvine compensated you like ngazo
as I said I was focus aka I'm on my own lane.
Yeah.
So researching what's coming to me. That's one people must understand. Every day when I wake up, sibazi kusvika saJerman ndiyapedza chipinga ndisakashuma na ngaruba usina zvinji zvine at that point zvakuritomanyisa rite music okay and it's like that but it's chipinga sikusvika kizila zva verify ndi German nditamanga umfonera same time ndikobona ndingone every time because I'm a freestyler now ndichachimisa freestyle udi ndichimisa freestyle uri into seuda na idea immediately ndichipa verify ndosokobudza C4 ndiri those are very fast good I think we can make a great song C4 then studio rubona ringata me trauma beat because one thing if there's one thing that chipirichenda wanyaguri ni Chivenda kana vatu vazvidiva urumborona rumwe runena ndo feature the gimmick ndiyanda trauma ndaitisa beat ndichitisa beat nevande chikodiva zori mutu ugotora
and zvichikodwa zvatikedzwa
that's the one thing you must understand 100% of that songs of the song iva yaitwa nganena C4
sure
100%
avala vatodanga to eda
ngori namne ndiva ndikosha ndingasizvipange ngori asizvanga
and
hazvingadzuri ndikonyega zvichiitiwa ngahonoyo aira zvidhiva ngaye hatinyagutsva chidu chamutu ndiyamne ndakompoza ndikokompozera honoyo mutu ndabvisa hoyo muthu studio
zwi tshi dovha zwa linkana nga maanḓa na zwithu zwe vhagemeli vha tshi khou zwi amba kha Black Couch ya Kings. Big shout out to you, man. He's doing quite well now. He was like, what I love ndi uri vha Root Kid ndi mudededzi havha munhu ende vha ri kondelela like ni a zwi vhona musi ri tshi vha ri khou shooter tshiṅwe tshifhinga uri zwine ra khou ita zwi khou rwa zwi tshi ya ngei, but that dude a ri fheleli mbilu. But enough about gimmicks, man. Like we've been talking for quite some time, so we got to check on some aspects. But there's a song now, it's a Root Kid Venda, ZOZO and Sengero super beat na Mickey Black, bro. Like that song is magical. And whatever the layer drop on the dollar then to be a vendor. That's why I'm quite sure you saw actually you are the first person to like my my comment. Ndabari ndokombekeza uto react kha ndiko muno ndo ronga chipinga ndakombeza react nga ene nga ZOZO nga C4.
Your comment was a reaction. I got to come your reaction.
But how did you approach ZOZO, and how did you manage also to produce a track to the genre ya track?
So this is I want you to listen closely. I've always wanted to be on my own lane.
Sure.
I was tired of if there's one honest truth about hip hop or there are comparison. Every single day there's always comparison. Same thing. Naka piano ya Chivenda. Uruka piano Chivenda. Woke at the rapping. At which I did. That's what I was doing at first. Nando ko focus ako rap. What the rest are comparison. When Guzba came through, hana comparison. Nando ko tasa fan. Raba Guzba ba rest of Root Kid. So for me to get away from comparison, because I'm not doing music to prove points to anyone. I'm doing music because I'm trying to. Loviana Zambaka freestyling where Sakura. The game needs something new. The main reason why I'm stepping in. I always knew that the only thing I want to do kagame then do for something new. So every day this is pass you know what I was doing. Never no kumbura udana chitu chiswa. I'm not a relaxed musician kauri. Okay, that's why this is durandika rebranding. That's why reaching about about how much it so.
Sure.
That so because zote zune ndavandu kunyago danazo ndi zvitu zviswa. Atinga dzuri no farera chitu chiti. The first okay, yeah, hey, it's been 2 months doing this and it's working. But every time when you come with something new, people will support you as a newcomer. That's one thing that you must understand. Because there's this line Kaspaye and Vuram Mumbur. I feel the new kid will always get more attraction. Mutu mushande na ne adojura akoana always excites the crowd more. Usumbezori. Namsine ndichi kurusana ade chonje vedu chine ndichiswa apa zvino na wachisa rumpirai chine chine crowd ngabva pa yotha yange. So what do? I discover new things uri ndidzurende relevant because the game that's always been zvinendo there as one ndizvone ndione goal yanga always give something new nazva gimmick swibia zvinoabya pfi una gimmick rap ndingantani uri it was something new hatina mtu anga mburu hemuna patu upengo vangaimba ukuiti yani because now ndichizviita not because I wanted to give something new. Not saying nandi chikotopfi nditofuna ba nditula sonditozvi nditofuna bapengo kana mara zvimiza that's why namendo the brand sampengo it's fine because this is something new. If bapengo ndisuzviswa it's something that nobody is thinking of. So also ndichikoita zva gimmick it's working. Ndoita chamkhoikoi ndichita chamkhoikoi to ti ndandono ndichita chamkhoikoi ndisu zvinoenda kudibera zvani but I'm like tukuzvifeel I need something new. Ngori this year to be honest last year ndo shumana na Germany na leg saba ziko shuma blind ngori ndi bapengo ni mara problem ndi out I cannot that uzuri ngasi to ngori ndi bapengo every time it's that time now I've been doing to bapengo ndiko shuma but now I have to come with something new that zura pass na okay something new it's you doing what nobody else is thinking of doing so zura pass kuduza DGP zvinenda ngaita zvinaona mumtu anakuzvumbura zvino ufana nazvo zvila zvabapengo zvaona mbona muzi ranga zvumbura ngori zvinova patuni zvinova on DGP zvine mtu angazvumbura zvina azviyo and then I realized truth about it is piano it's a new sound vatu vanjisa vatu jena kaya huko daresa vatu vaswa vane vakuengejesa kapiano auna mtu na mti wakare anenda kumbona chikojena kapiano so something new chenanga chitu it's getting mutu wa music wakare ti nda mu ende ye idea nazo yo thomo darini to uri bathu vho ava zwiḓivhi yo ḓa musi hu na tshifhinga tshe kha piano kha TikTok ho vha khou sample Tiabalungo
yeah number 1
Machangana o vha khou sample dzinyimbo dza kale dza Machangana mara kha nne ndari ngori already zwono sample na nepa Venda C4 vya a sample ya baphi Solomon Mathas
yeah
ono sample na mara kha nne ndari I don't want to sample it over idea uri izila swa bathu ba urane nga research hanga bathu bazifuna abala bathu ba urane dzi time dzichimba that's why Kabelongo dzo wina na mini mara dza dzinyimbo dzine already dza dzimini that's all now I want to compose ngo ativavi I want to come with something new namso uzozoi ati ndichumbura ZOZO ati konyaga uri ndo fari pyo rumbora ZOZO ri konyaga rude rube piano hezwo zvono dara mwana mwana zviita
like the very same way Romeo idira zvone ka ere abe oroto wato skano jael no ma jam rotovri ya chibodro
yeah sounds like yeah what nobody else is doing it's creating new music unendi muswa na aba bathu and nobody
then how do you approach it like what was the like
those kana tangana ngathoma na tangana what give me confidence that's what ZOZO one day ndovizwa kha gigi ni ngangi ngaproidi ombangana ZOZO
sure
ndishisvika ndosvika ndinowapedzera late ZOZO lara ndikare ndo pedzo performa ndikumerisa ndikatombopa ndatorindera yene uri atome asvike una ndofopfuko da ndichibusa proidi ari undira ti avakompa advice I think Royal was yeti kumbudza uri ndombona kha poster Royal man I just wanted to
ile the performance nga masiyari kana yezno
iyazvi
okay
avakompa nturi uzvibona zvo performance amasiyari mini was giving me an advice satime I kuzvibona like then I was even surprised it's also one diva that guy knows me and what diva na zvoitewo last like he knows me somebody una respect towards my craft now which doesn't it as you know and he was even giving me advice to keep on with what you're doing so upengo do that that's nice it separates you from everyone else keep doing it so now confidence so one deal do we ratanga Royal tanga Royal you cannot believe this tanga Royal no tanga na Royal na ZOZO nguri obaone na bonani magidi tanga naye ya karwe bonani magidi uthoma ndari bonani ndi fan bad ya suza ndi ase bad ndi kumburu rinena
rwezitwa
ndizila zabo za chamkwikwi tingazofuna bad uri dzure pasiri bono ringaitisa bonani latenda tanga na ZOZO za chikutuwa chandi kwa mana ZOZO ndikhorotman ndandikutama uri ringa jana studio rabuluri mini so lari auna problem lichiamba lichipindura lara rudu ne benichete zo studio mar ngori ndiwe anotofuna utofuna ndari pa free rini lara anotofuna kana msuma chero ngori ndiwe ndingasofuna tara okay
giving me rudu yala do movies aba jana ka rudu
giving me confidence ura the guy is on board what I did abanda studio session your Tom yes for rakweta beat ya chamkoiko radura pass as I said the composer chimwana when those people come through chimwana chimwe chiba
chinopela ndo ndikoto da bona machitora
exactly so already ndo bana go ahead bona ni umpa go ahead ZOZO umpa go ahead ndadura pass ndadura pass okay tomanga chamkoiko rale composer lechire composer ndichifuna bona ni magidari chikwani udobi after 3 weeks raro kikero ni composer auchana zvimwe ari libechera achibuya urondere naite mini adapange ra machere chole ra general mini la ZOZO ene la ZOZO loitiwa so la ZOZO nani wotirwa mfichi kwatura ndina chikwatura wande wonyopanga shirento jemini karumburti ndichitela beat session raro itari konyaga itera chikwatura aburi konyaga beat ya different uri koshabo soundesa ngandira nti
dazo nga duality
is very fine and to banga duality that's ku plan wa uri zvekati zote so ndichita hela beat yaitiwa isipere mara fazori ya beat ingasitende shirento rabaka ngachama chiro chone right beat la chikwatu mara la beat ndabori ndino ka phone ndichitecheresa ndichiyaka na sifona risifo ndano komburu hela beat ya right ardo jena kela project ile era rikuitera
bona
rikuitera chikwatu achijena kayi yabiri ni mathomoni dari rachenja rera ko change tichichinja ndirentu iko todo teimbiwa iko toda mutu iko toda talent iko toda gimmick cause ndichiti to trauma yo vandi kwenye panga dzi gimmick tachibvuri no ma iko to da talent chidzura pasi ndo good shot ndonomba bena ZOZO hii into ingatenda ZOZO and ndichamba ndari is the same type in Mickey Black akuita mini akoita musifunga che Mickey Black uyachinja ava ikuita nto
it's the same type
nalikumbudza zuri this is what we do tomango focus right ZOZO apa angerwa ne Mickey Black hela beat ndaisendera Mickey Black tisatu wana na ZOZO sendera Mickey Black aburi Mickey Black achiwana ngori she creative avachi kunwara rimbo ngayo ende kunwara zvimwe zvitu manda mubudza nde Mickey neti mtu wonwara asongo tazwa nwara nendi to create so ari ndere to me create something na ZOZO rono divuro creator mini that's when so akuruko nwara ndano auna need yo nwara udobva nda topic at the end of the day so ndakoro apfe beat apfe zvitera zvine ndakonyaguri ushabo mujuma ZOZO la da studio ZOZO lechi da studio ndalijia lada ndichidenda ndolombera na Qatar lada lothe tindi time you have to be patient with the Khorotman da jana studio Khorotman lechi jana studio ndajena laite zulani jana kumburari very pembera ndajena makini ndazvita hasa totokudwa chitu tatosika record ane pa so lichisvika sazvino ndaitisa zvona kamona mumwe ndakazozvi ndava ndikuzama mugudisira zvone ndava ndinazvo to ndakungudisa ndikomugudisa zvicomplement zvendatoma ZOZO lari no irani nditome ndiite zvinoenda kumbura arari zvasi vasisa kudzura zvidokoneta hezvo zvano zvine nokuita mini nondudzanyera zvona ladzura pasi apa ladzura pasi ndikotecheresa lasakuri hai randijenenga ngoma apa ralipa headset out of nowhere ralitamba kuita ntukuta ntu record out of nowhere dokundera vautamba naye ndoku cause hela ni yini la vese lena na pisa zona
ndano ndapa chimera
first cause one take yes ZOZO aita ngangomubutula ndiyo neyo thoma aita na dzipitch dzothe na zva rudu and uta rudu nguri kombona butuni ningapala he's trying to impress me ukuzita akoyamba uri kuyamba
uri like ndikuvhurera
ene uri ene kuti yamba ngori and after rudu umbodisa panda futi noimba ndi one take ti ngabari kuifuna mara secretive abakuri kudana zvivo izvo zvimwe zviadana zvi zvava sisichari impressa ufana naye leyo Tom
plus una mikane
ukaditopanga so ZOZO namtendero okay aroshuma zvezverashuma radzila suno chincha ibilizwa zvo chinchi hote sasa ngobangela ndira yezviri chitantu nanaombera project kasi 4 tatowana ndina studio ndu zviskande chiplaka raima izvo ZOZO sara chitai azvi izvo zvotoma rothe rova ro ima re amazed zvamburi zila zvotoma ndizvo ndajia ndaenda vonori zvingaisvitisa hani ndazvichopa ndava ndina demo yapa lani yari bverupembera napati yaZOZO fedzi ndaijia ndaisaka TikTok ndichisaka TikTok vanhu vava vachikoitakara tadzura pasi idzura pasi now it's time yori ndiise pambe nezvizvitu ndaumbura Mr. Brown utoma because I wanted Mr. Brown uri aimbe ngachishona I wanted ZOZO duma Zimbabwe. I was thinking if I can get Mr. Brown on the song he would really be a good catching ngori achimba ngachishona ndingampa platform yamashona Mr. Brown aburi ukowanara asenda something zvava zviblind mara aburi following week ukobva kwaDubai and uri rumbo ndikare rundo rupanga TikTok so ndari no amutsendera message Mr. Brown arano tanotsenda project aburi unya kuchinjesa zvinji nana C4 dzira pasira rai netobudza C4 wonoropa project ndinoita ngofuna zvinongo project ndina ndabudza C4 ndirano ndikopola nopanga Mickey Black ngurula ukorenga asi for laitani mbodi rwazo tama intofuna ukuthi sa ndafonera Mickey namubudza ndari ade Mickey chaba chichida chapangela verse chichipangela verse ndawana zvichiko blender.
And like, bro, I think the idea you drop a music video before audio, zoita reaction zone zvine cause namfundu vacho vatechesa audio uvachivovona like Mickey chichirini vafuna badi zvamitambo vaita zvadzindode ndirini she's the one anokobudza ini ane nakobudza mukara waona kapore yopembera zvinovadhalelwa nga mitambo ligona lako kambori zvambori ndobherera ubva ngori ndokundera kutamba like story ndirini utobona fedzi storyline, and big shout out to KD Films now. Utobona storyline fedzi the way nature ngayo. I was like, this is something else. And the factory, you also included a lot of kids in that music video. I did say it Kailam like it shows where you are the future. Like you are the leader of future generation. And like all the music video problem yanga always when I look at something, production side, meaning in behind because I think chinokoitorna music wabewe comes from tonongaini a topic ndeoreni lot of kids, lot of youth, they are here rune murovanda kuti amba bona mumwe ane ndimpedi just that omarwanga mvenda but udzulana na muharibo wawe at the background the song was playing. She was like nako muzori machero ndiko do udzulana ba Rude Kid. She was like tumdive omuntu. During our phone call, I was like, how would you say I'm doing Rude Kid whereas at the background who got but track I'd be like, it's because ni kasekele ya munina bana banji. But there's no way we're going to bangasim divi.
Very true.
Like that was magical, and I love the fact you were like ZOZO ndi mudivera chingondo cut the lead guitar hange ichiwapera let me just keep quiet atambe lead usumbezo he's coming with something znera mudivera like ela track like yesula zonda doita reaction ya Guzba ine track and 2 minutes and something seconds but ndaita reaction ya 40 minutes ndisokuona ndizvone zvine arari ni ndandopedza ndozvoita naka reaction yawo iyadhoja nawo wara because nende vandichikoamba chiro chimwe na chimwe angle dza camera music video wonkumbudza fizi munei because like you was
would you another thing that you must know all my music videos you direct so big shout out to KD or what HRS.
Sure.
So one thing you guys people don't know I always make sure whenever ndichikuita wimbo I have a concept ya music video ndaba ichikombarera ngechishushinga ndichiri ndikoshuta ti auzokuvuwa pokoshutiwa ndifana tomana na concept ndichibudza richamba na KD storyline so ndikubudza KD ndirimi if there's one thing zvinozva different zvinazvitiwe ngavatu ndi music video wa storyline
zvikokonda especially Venda zvikokonda
but about music video wa storyline utwa music video kuba panda guru yasokofa ada mashoto ndakubudza vamwe ndikoma bashuta video dzabudi mara savena storyline mwana for example music video unola wako Tom havala vana nge magumuni baba matomoni zisara zvoviringana there must be a storyline lechijja music video KD asa confesses ndichimubudza uri abeni ila zvandishi rozi decide nepala KD ndaza kumubudza uri arite hako confesses
ndigai pala peto
ni twinga hapo zvinari
okay
ndichibudza KD hako confesses siko dapala ngori eno ndiro shuta zvina kuzvidiva zva muneiba kange ndiri no it wouldn't make sense sukuzo Thoma nende kusvika mune bai no asithome ndichinga apa petu ndiyazvo ndikotamba ndi ready let me show I'm getting ready the storyline ichithoma pala ukusina beat usina chitu chimunga chote ndichithoma trekedzanga dziva dzisina chitu pala mutomwe ndione ha storyline I'm telling you naka music video tena ndibona ichidanga matomoni azvikona dziite ngati nyaya nabona music video wachikwatura nasvika nazocheka the storyline vandiko jena femini na Germany the storyline auzokuthoma mauna vatu vatu vatamabati slow motion uzokuthoma balani arari valono tembo prama slow motion ari kuita zozo slow motion so ndita storyline so music video yanga recently ngori remember naichita the one take chimwe chotena ito that storyline because now it's a editiwa ndifana ndo unokuthoma apa ndaguma apala so I've always been a storyline this should that music video now I'm making it credit so I like the fact that KD uba ko techereza ndo kunyaga utamini so chimunga kujia na asa diuzuri zvanda kombuza jie ukozvijera mini
and I also love the fact you are missing the actual editor why invite chimwe chipungana no never was artist as mntono there is
okay music video yanga yote I edit ulizio and editor ndizvino KD ambudza zvona uedita iyi ambani dzishotso dziyaba dzinji ndini nenono nanga ndimubudza nende kwenyaga idita toburi timujeri mushumo ndi wawo but I am the one C4 richita beat chimjeri mushumo mandini nando nombori beat ndikwenyaga ichi sound so because I'm the one that's one I'm don't know about more production.
It's the very same thing artist zvenda zvemba na correction ya Gosborn nabe anatobvisa music video usina storyline chatoma zvinyadzisa artist zvada zvanyadzisa na videographer
very
zvino come to ane Venda ka music video minjini ndonotana yakaenda bona uri blind ndi madima is one of the best uchida ka music video ina storyline ochita music video wauna rine Paulina storyline perfect ochita music video namwe music video wa do shoota nawo ndo hangori ndi wanyi nawo storyline perfect. So when it comes to and ndikobona ngarini na bathu bononga ba KD this year oshumesa nga manda rone una music video minji to bartiko do record do nga manda cause ukadona shunya zvinoda kudara zvikwama the more music craft ichiko daresa nga manda kaini chimwe chipinga itsada zvikoto ni itori ni excel ekoba creativity kana nisokoto editira zvubva mulanduni because ndakocheka music video wa fail wabache player it's something think like who got the shots drone like but angobana that thing you can say bro
and as well as Jovagay that's one thing you must understand as we become photograph videograph this is just an advice in it it doesn't come out photographers no need a music video runake ndinonakisa music video one bro una music video yanga iite I'm saying this because I wanted to be atinya goods about information was information is one of the story mature kono na generation ya queen apa Venda
number one
because I don't want to excel alone to nya go when ndo tena fenuru kidio atani wa music video blind I want others to learn to also Rebecca category nti roterita kure
Venda rekoruza na
hala matanga ote atokona
rekoruza no
ila nation ito divas ni akuita so with me ndichichuta the basic video zanga ndithoma ndayanda ndasenza place you won't believe Android one day will tell you this ndichikoto shutela music video apanda ndasadibipetuni abantu ndobudzana ndikonyaka music video nabana midimibiri nabana draft yeseperto nga draft ndichikobona shorto yanga ingena nga draft thuku ngorano madubono ba dzimbondo kana draft idzi ndasakonyaka draft idzi zotiba wote ndakonyaka draft so petunji sanguri pano tamba aucheo udzila ni dzindu dza so ndathoma ndabvanda ya madombija nda madombija ndichikotero twasedza fetungura ya madombija ndichibumbure last time cha Android ndobona uso tasikanda wana vele woto rap disadvantage ati divi vathu ngangi and midini ngwanuru bana
the mindset
or manda na ucheka ndakotothoma ngocheka ndichienda ucheka nazibona zvo happy to do complement exactly zvinoda kunyaga zvichibvisa zvona that has nothing to do with KD it's me anenda kwenyaga music video wangu uchinaka ndichibva ngenda da research ndawana even ra rono amba na KD rekho madombija ndamba na Android and 2 so ya umbera mundini ra umbera raba right mara pala ndiri chumbera henda ndikubona u right urango badowena hapone ra kumbera one azvichatova exactly hezvila zvena kwenyaga zvona ndichibuya ngeno thandonga chamba majero chono mumfetu wanga unzura tsingo rimi ha ndo munifamba nikwamba na KD nikwamba vela vetu ndo ngombe tonda udibanga apa unala mavide so ndisimunyadze harve ro check chito check
Arwana zinari
exactly drata azinari ndikuzvibona drata ndakonyanga mudi wa ndazana ndavuri mndu ngave hai I wanted midino we separatwa bashimisa drata nti and drata yona aitiyufira muviri uri ikonova conversation ifine ndichikuri ndikwamba na mutu drata yosimbezwa ri kutwa mna mumu na mdini wawe
some music video no wa fizi wa neighbor like because he was on here then sure
I did that richiana KD ndadwafunda mana KD na KD ndiko doni jarato marara wanange place risa to shoot it's me that's doing that or KD ne adibori ivuna suzunanga toda lingo do sia drone chiko toda lingo do sia mini chiko toda
so
abarara cheka KD ya confirm idotenda inena kota cause ndiye na ko shoot ti at confirm rund idotenda akakomba indiko libona already and bana petros ka raro ra kubona ra confirm apala rari arishimsana epo ngona menda chibumbula u KD ya confirm no apala ni yena tumuntsumbedzo ndi mini di on arishimsana pala determine for the win perfect so ambori what I'm trying to say is just to cut things short music video sajara I think ukutosha kuri kushuta uvwana muzapo kushuta me expect music video pela namusi. It doesn't work like that. If you want the stuff to be nice, go outside in mune ni research. Okay, nonyeka music video anga uchinga ndi groove. Natode petune nichisedza groove kana nichisedza point the angle ingatendo habona nazo ndi groove. Ne anaombere ifino kombe lungodwa ni anko wina hapo nitodo get outside of your comfort zone. The music video anga minji atishuteri sene nonenda baona na tando tushotera ndangori hapo ndandi wonona ko compliment azonenda ko tondo. I don't compromise ngori na music video chikotro oshotora mesina na very first to Messina ngori zezo aziko to there so was Messina I had to go na KD ravara Messina redera Messina uiterori rivonga machero ni ritome rumbere rite chimwana chimwe uri ngacha machero chone rukono shoot so music video au nakisiwinga videographer na edit unakisiwa ngaine na zvine zvavaka video abeni zvambaro zve mike wambara notojera mukiguru dzikiva yani ambara zvi compliment ngori anokodasa na zvambaro zvo compliment zvingasiite mika kojena ambara bokati bongomvesa so and the kid never uzokoshuta ngori kushuta ngori upi kandishute so I'm trying to explain uri you must be you as an artist creative like na fanero yana na make sure uri chimwe na chimwe chiku look at the way you looking so nakai here fail I don't think to blame the KD the person to blame the JR ngauri if JR over more effort the KD was gonna make sure the video he complimented the winner koto compliment zamburi what ya una 50-50 ya ofara nanga zwana nga KD na JR muri KD udoita zvone na kubona zvone zvina kupuwa zvone ashuta already uvoshuma ngori ukweditela zvaba naye nikomfesa so for it to be more nice is it engagement to azito you I think it's like credit arto blema KD zvibaka na me video dzanga dzinake it's not astomika KD zvitoma kan KD achidapala na chipangilo zvachitantu ndokona zvibona naye zvori le letanga le right because that's what ndichambori all the music vona zvingisa zvona ndachingamba ngawo man because at the very same time Mickey Black ukujiwa sa wife ya ZOZO rune already ndozvibona uko vana vukeguru nyana namukala apana ini ngangero ane ndochiona achina namsadzi chozokugoyani compensate that karchene kanda va speed man like now I think unless ono vana dzimwe chandoko what I know ndiyo ni indie you are an independent yeah how did you end up being there Chipiti na ubva na uya hapa nono in a nutshell kana ngautonweledza like so this no one one guy ani droba ubiyosvika nichido foreigner I want to push my things out me and Stan rowana na Stan texted me on Facebook nga 2019 so tichikopetsa grade 12 roviri ndikopedza grade 12 nandikushuta ma freestyle ndonando focusisa kuita dzi freestyle ndakorotomoteta dzi freestyle dzila dza remake aibona potential akachimwe chi freestyle ngadzi ila track ila freestyle yobva ngadzi wanza December a text angidlelo duva ngadzi wanza December nga 2019 texta Facebook yoba ipyo PRNP akatu yang niggas that do not miss no bana sofa yani kama hizi video na magumoni ndashikanda ndatandana dzorana ka sofa magumoni so ichishikwa fo ulinga korotmani yanga I won la video ai va fall in love na the raps uri chipitwa funa the raps blind number ire chipitan textera pro nyaguru shume mini na wandisa ngota munyo zipa go ahead manda mudza mumtecheresa abo uri petunjisa kuita chimvurera nenda sadivina kunjerere bomandisi apa kuita plan uri atomobudza abatungane atomumvurera ndazobona this guy ndi mushumo ona kuita uko umdzisa samo kwenza samwe so that's being a manager ndikara kombe wa manager wanga 2020 namudi zita official artemini arshuma no baba manager ngajusibinga ubona nyika la record label asina mutu okay sure asina mutu omudzare obachi own street empire I don't know akonyamena mudzori netinya kusign I don't know I'm just going to manage no mudzori ndo the sign na KV music no problem I'm going to be a manager ndo to manager wa KV music ndo make sure uri chimwe na chimwe KV music chikuita ni chiko chimbiri and that was his job you that's what sign wanga style he was a manager of my record label ini aba KV music he manages everything like rudzera akore rudzera nne ebilelwa kuto ambo rona zwinzhi zwine zwi ṱoḓa itiwa nga manager ri nga si bveni na owner ya shop a si ene no dzudzanya zwithu u thola manager ti vhathu vha zwi ḓivhi uri abinini na mashoponi ownera u vha siwa phala manager asi ownera so I'm the owner of RKV Music, I'm the owner of everything zwi nda khou ita but I had to find a manager. That's where Stan was coming in uri zwiṅwe zwithu zwi ḓo tshimbila nga nṱhani uri being as a manager u khou ya ṱoḓa information a ita nthu umbesa and I learned a lot from him ngela zwithu uri he made a lot of things zwithu nda sa zwi dzhieli nṱha sa manager u khou bva khou a khou ita nthu I'm learning every day and asa nzumbeli information zwoṱhe zwa zwithu vha zwi ṱafulani ri khou ita nthu ri khou shuma you know from 2020 2021 2022 2023 at the end of 2023 nena Stan ro thoma sa shuma this year 2023 ndione it's quite towards from June July August it's quite towards December ndione ndatomo for uri I think we have to do to changes basic reason about me when I changes when this Shashman Stan was the fact yauri oba ono bana some manager he had power some manager so oba ono bana akho bana collusion between me and him who bana already
so
for what to push
okay
if you can put it like that ujiba no already what to push Stan hango be asabia zwipfesesa zwa dzigimiki zwa bompuna na ndichizvita ndachikozvita with my own power my own will ngokuthi ngosainiwa ndetwa zona zvinhu zvenda kutola
so angova na zwithu zvinoko kumwariwa pasi
na raso ngosaini means Stan was just a viable into and rarichi owner pakhaya main food that's when I'm richibva robva ngotohamba tovana statement sa vathu vononga vosaina ngori we were owning up to whatever we said ndandiko owner pakuri na owner pakuri hancontroli uri ndine man utova manager that's when amena ndichikona ita zvawo mpuna nawo asa zvitakarili ndichizviita ngori agreement yavene ya uri bro you can still do whatever you do, you are free mara asvika point unisa manager una direction ine akonyaga ndichiakayo ine nne atikodibona ndichikonyagwa yakayo wanted me to usika point ine rashuma na mixtape wa hip hop
sure
and usika point ine ndachibukiwa blind kana kubukwa blind ngadzidizema ndabukiwa blind so ndosibona so there is no kubukiwa phala ndizila dzinyimbo dzilani dzavompuna nabo dzine Stan adzipfesesi na mimi and now ukonyaka ndichifocusa much like hip hop kana sound ine ishavana zvine ndo no brandisa zvone
and nazvino ndakubona zvichikonchumera
ti and ene ukonyagaisa izvo ndava ndichikuri Stan you have to invest could invest everything he has karumburu na rura hip hop kana na runero va professional mara usako zvichishavana na zvine ndenda kubona zvichikonchumera so problem aburi na rukoredza tichikoredzana zvibaisisa ness artist I have to be honest with myself. Do I have to compromise doing what Stan wants for me or I have to do what I think is
do
best
me
for
like
zvamburi ndikaposition ndikuti ndinange Stan kana ndinange Memoon and obviously I chose myself. No choose no let me keep on listening to myself ndi invest ka zvine munhu ndakubona ngari likonyagweta zvona ngori Stan naye ukuzvibona achiko at the end of the day uonyagota kurane mara now rukoya opposite side I want to push this I want to support unya push zvina neti konyago support zvamburi now ndisala zvino wono banana zvinhu azvinga chimbiri ngauri vathu vaviri vane vakuita zvichimbirei avako vana agreement and Stan didn't want to understand kana uvana na good na kukuvonera ka zvinhu nda kuri ndikonyago pusha zvona nane kuvonera kwa Stan ndavarisa konyago kwesta ndisa kokupfesesa uri zvilo zva hip hop ndinozvibona asikoshuma asikonchumera as I said uya na reason ndamadera ndu zvimwe ndakuzvibona uri it's not working for me. With a research, it's not working. It's not. And what's working, I'm keeping on. And Stan I generate because you know consumer. So now for no man, is at the end of the day. And then it said, I will 80% yes, you know consumer. You know, but one could diva zuchukunta. This is Stan ana chamba cash. and now zvambori at the end of the day but about the zuri uba unandwa internally yauri I have to choose between me and Stan. So to break that thing ngori zviva zvine zvazvingambreka down samutu ngori zviva zvikoitea ntuli uri bathu vasamangori okay arari vakonyaga muzika muswa unene vonyaga there is no way vasawane maybe vangasowane ngori unandwa rukokaredzana. So to avoid that uri nende kono keep up on noita zvine nenda kopose right I had to talk to Stan as it and I said it like that recruitment rekoredzana blind koredzana and at the end of the day I think you have to choose me na to ambura I'm right at the end of the day na mne marale badoko kufori maybe niko dijiana dibaya ndiko nibeya unenda kufori ni unosika on na kuti no kompesa but I think at the end of the day I rather talk the long way than take the way never kunisa ndiko fonga iko bakonya kujja cut things short kana vakonyaga vakontabanyisa usvika unenge uri wachidzira kwambura ndibone national I want you to go national mara zvava kunyitira zvone zvova zvichikonda kovona ngari kazvinendo no builder for the next last 3 years ndi ukonyisa unezwa zvishunu votonga ndikuti ndizvirape and I believe so much kazo zori ila building yenda builder naba venda don't takura yanyisa kure and any akonyago ndichinche ndina ndo hachitonga kuti adjustment and so and inenda kubona ngari with me ingasumeka nebe kushuma I want to be happy because now I'm pushing zvino zvosabana na zvinene mune ndakonyago pusha zvona and atitamiwa mutwane ndava ndikuitira zvino kurozviitira just to feel I'm just pushing because we pushing so I want to push in the moon and I go for it. I have to be happy at the end of the day. So that I chose myself. That's one over Stan because point away over in the national, but he wanted me to do it his own way. And I'm not intentional. I also want to do that. But the phone the phone up the reason when hints look at ZOZO even though it's a long way, but I think kanjipirangane at which maybe Stan I think that I understand na ulimbora ZOZO da rusi because rarisi kakubonera kuti
rune kamsi linga disaka point eno ni nemnatu fungo ndina nendu zwari shede ya mandela ni kan national level aninge kadzi minister na mi usungo ya hafuwa hobewa ndizine ndazwana chizibonisa zvona usungo ya vobe wa minister wa sports kamtwane hafesisi zwa mitambo angobe abachipida cha zwa mitambo usungo ya vobe wa mutu kaimwe department ya zvine azviyera naye bobekitela rari bubu ya baba polisa mrawo bati pusha kadzirenke dzote vazvifesa richiya palanta
ukuitwa mimi
polisa limuvisa
adjusted
so Stan ndi muthu ane uba akashu zvinonga dzi accountant or whatsoever to tevesa ngamanda craft yawo industry ya music uipfesesa nga point ine mumwe na mumwe udiro ipfesa ngayo kana he has like a background.
He does has a background because obviously
empire
empire but it was with brands about way different than I'm not sure if you understand. I can put it in an example. Mutu a familiar na ba salesman
so
mara ako ba salesman kasi la zoziliwa sa manager wa spa zwa zopambana zvino richi kwamba salesman wazvitu zvino na dzisemende kana kuguru two different things but ana background yana background hence unaenda ndione before the first time was because of him ana background utobori oba kushimisa background ya branding ine aitumani na zvine na the potential dzanga ngo ndichita decision ndiko cheka the potential dzanga ndiko cheka the strength dzanga the weakness dzanga ndapushesa zvone zvine tikonyaga zvone konyagwa justa so he was more branding mara asa ko branda ngandirene nakubona ndichinga branda zvishapu for zvine ndina konyaga for the type of impact I want to give yoba isafani na ine akonyaga ndichi give.
So was it a easy decision or bad?
It was not an easy decision, but I had to take it because I needed that freedom again to do whatever. Ndandoneta ngo pfandikoledzana na mumu tufu zvinene munenda kupfandikonyaka zvona ndichizvita ndikufa skonchumera and the fact yauri I'm not in good terms with my manager ndikuzvita for example ndikuita verify manager wanga akuzvitakarera okwata and then
ndiri ene udo vachikosedza uri ni rine rina brand ene rakosamuibuilda nga chasho ini kotuwa nikoyojia imwe ya go down ine it has nothing to do with us.
So that's what made me feel like no tokonyagodisengisa ndifori ndikokaka ngoita zvone nemunada kufa ndikonya.
So how is your relationship with him now?
It's very good. It's very good.
Then kasiya laurini because umwe nditokombedza uri dana dzireference dzine dziva dzisatova na vutanzi hwokwatisedziwawo ndingosunyidza nyika. I knew it. Then kasiya laurini ova na ndava
sinchaboyo ubva mtu awapo mngana wanga tama yanga so
rita
tama asiva tama
kuna kulaini kwangu baka kaje kuruziko kaiza
niko toma zi
kuna mwana zaro niko toma zi
unfortunately chingova wana so I took it as a verse ngoti awabo uzerumba kuti aruchiro niko toma zi
ana zvebe ndo
vatrend kumara zvanita chikeguru achiwanare mamna
na zvebe ndo vatrend
ramangazve ngakuchitoda ndazama akakotodanga vatu ndotinowana ne apela ndiyo neenda bariro tasadimizviri
una vanoni vane zvazvino ridomira kafungo la stand una no risingaroli trauma roli trauma ridodaiva kala but unodzi ai fuck una vamukekurunyana vano vava mupfunzi nyana so zvezvino dzichikwamba ri rodavanaidza dzichikotomwa rap apano varacha vachiposta varini varukiri vasongora vachivone chisnippet chene chana chari kombera mntu ananga
let's write a got her numbers
ndekare
ngaruwakaenda video richidziva yakare 8 years back I think yakare but titopori social media yakare asina social media so zvikona na trend and zvikodanga chimwe cha right because I'm planning to do a gospel song so with a gospel raps zvamburi atinga rap ne kuda rap avala so yeah ukodhiva badi nikoita miheya nitaraliza nikotama zvitu.
Back to the matter. Big shout out to RR is the one I know behind. So I conclude last time.
Okay.
So you were saying like relationship yamunai isha.
It's fine.
But when it comes to nditoropambekidza ujiana dzireference dza vathu vanonga po metro dau richido kwamanyana na zvinonga dzibifina mini ba metro ndi vathu vane lot of things unga rwambo nandedzwa ndichirwamba kadzi 3 reactors dzine dzihone Venda dza music, it's me, the guard, now breaction. I always say ndingaba feel ndi mtu ane namzu zvichikotoko yange nange na I remain calm that was already let me just do reaction. I don't want to entertain a lot of things abana reaction ane misote ndimufanyisa na mtu ononga Adolf is one of those people vane they are good rap na mtu ononga Aubrey is good cause reaction but upuchisa kama ndazvine zvamuitira chirede more than yezvinoni ndichikoza musumbedzo uri Adolf bobva kasini ya music batwa vayeditira zvavo the guard I always compare him na vathu ononga po metro is one of those people vane avashabe uamba mumbulo une but what about the hana until zvithu when time goes on zvichi votomo unfold there and then we be like hell chinoniyo zviyambela so ndichikocheka relationship yawe na kuferere kwayo ne wabona nyimbo dzoimawo ngauri huna line dzoimawo ngauri ka craft ya vathu ononga ba metro when he said vathu vononga va stand avana ndava ni as long as ene avachikovaita zvitundurume ndi muthu una chelede nji he doesn't give a fuck as long as the bookings dzazikojena that's what really matters kai ngore no vakumitira chelede right ambananga ruwambo rononga goloi and all those kind of stuff until chidobva beefy femini asinama as beefy ndi nama ya fan when he's okay sure
zavo and koda zvino zavo koda zvino okay zavo
when he said I think it was more a diss based kha dzi specs na mini uri ni khou tenda roṱhe ri zwiḓivha uri Stan ha vhoni mara ni khou tenda a tshi ni sumbedza nḓila. Yeah, that was a punchline checking the fact on muthu ono dzula ambara dzi specs na mini. But kha issue ḽa dzi bookings na dzi tshelede like na ni tshi khou managisa hani fhaḽani dzi bookings dza dzi tshi dzhena through nnyi?
Yes, bookings dza tshi dzhena under RKV Music.
Okay,
Stan was the manager of RKV Music.
Ine ndi yenela poster ine na namusi i tshi kha ḓivha sa cover kha page ine that cover you haven't removed it since then.
Yeah,
ine na dzi bookings dza tshi khou dzhena kha RKV.
It's what khou dzhena kha RKV Music because two founela Stan.
Okay,
so tshelede tshi dzhena kha account ya RKV Music.
Okay,
when I'm able to see as a dzhene kha personal ya Stan, as a dzhene kha personal yanga ya tshi dzhena hune ra manager shu roṱhe nduri it was not asi no office ndi zwa Stan ndi zwanga auri zwi khou ḓafha Stan ra manager roṱhe kana a manager based to what he say
lune liba ḽifhungo ḽine ndi zwone tshi amba uri an artist should not get less arali ni aka record label luambo lune dzone tshi amba uri record label regardless uri gondusa hani you were Rude Kid before a tshi ya kha Stan. Stan o ḓivha zwine avha zwone. Okay,
diva sorry mkomano wanga sorry ndo Rotmani yanga masia nazuri ndo akhomba na masia ti ndi tshi khou ndo fara fomo rabe ndo fara fomo ndo ḓaḓa ndi khou muvhudza zuri ndi khou nyaga u dzhenelela fhaḽani for dzi category masia a vha khou nḓaḓisa a tshi nḓaḓisa I think ndi zwone zwe zwa tori ndi si tsha tantu because I wanted to ndi se fomo ndi vhe na vhuṱanzi uri tshona tshiṅwe tsho ita nṋe ndi tshi khou vhudzwa ndi feelisa hani na rabe a vha a sa khou ḓivha
kha dzi tshima
I don't know why people are actually mad.
Kapesese uri ni zwithu a zwi nga si tshimbile nga nḓila miso yoṱhe ra vha ri khou ḓa ngayo ndi vhona na una a tshi khou ḓi amba uri habe na nṋe ndo submita
and plus with me a thi khou dzhena nṋe thi tou ndi songo submit and thi ngo dzhenelela kha dzi agenda dzo ṱwa ndi khou there is one supposed to submit because with me although I'm pushing a thi thu pfha ndi kha point ine ndi khou nyaga u vha uribuwa nga dzi award. I don't think I'm at that point now. I want to award myself already. I'm still in a point now. I still want to keep it going. Do you want to point now? Go join the award. Uda usina competition.
Nduto fiera.
Usina competition ido ba isi uri nuri zwi given. Uri ndi chipinga ha uri mtu kana ri to mupa dzi award dzawe not based kori ndikoto dependa kha uri una vhathu vhane vha nga mvotela una vhathu vhane vha nga ntaka ndi khou zwisika kha point ne it's given. The main reason, if I can give a perfect example,
sure.
She is in a point in every award, even each quarter theory, best performer. Undebatably, now I'm saying Africa, there is no chance the BET. Cover to Africa, not South Africa, but Africa. Over who and can you come and I wouldn't you come and Rangamburi. Zova's given. So that's where I feel like I'm going. Because I believe sooner or later I'm gonna have a lot of awards and now I'm still focusing on working and allow me to do that.
Can I tell you why I love that move? Can I tell you why I love that move?
Yeah.
Artist manji ane kha nyimbo dzawo kudzula ku referral ndo wina lima vanga vha ndo wina
mara dzine adzi
I feel like which means carbone like they are there
nga award bedzi
award like it's not like the corny
I think we want to mamba mishumo award dzi do amba dzi representa mishumo so as to sichithure ndive ndina award mishumo yanga isa ambi
ndabona no wapfonga ndo swika
you know awambe se mishumo award ibe kwa award uru ya mtu ospana zwiwe sikho dibi uru ospana for example I don't think there's anyone ananganeza zvino ava chikovuna dza award namsu 3 years later ati best video of the year yapuwa lumbo rurenda kubvuta nazo. It's given ngorumwa wote mwana modropa music video check ura avele. This is that's where I want to go. I want to put it as many work le shume ono zvika point ne mwana mu zvive zvintatafuro rani. It's time to award the boy. I believe a lot of awards are still coming, but now I'm still focused on Shuma. The Shume Disumbeduri, the award is she die. I think to complimenta Shume and the name on a more somewhere.
Exactly. Because and it's very nice. And Nakam, a lot of things that Tungo passing now. I was like, nah, the boy has to come Razura Ramba. Because and Namzaranda Zumbre can make a mumronga how do the mindset all our maybe not submitting and never comes you have that grudge. Because when I was Wambazori, Parapara, Uko Gotamba.
Verify
and every advertisement song.
At all. It was just me saying, you know what, not when you go generate. Like I don't think at this point that's important to me. At you Kopori, the award, Jinga was important for me at this point. And when you go focus on now, Kotodori, you go to that time. I any achievement when you go to N, at when you go to bypass. So because I feel like when you earning something, you don't was given bro.
I think in this was you did talk a lot. Remaining. I remember Janaka Parapara, Rich number Rayanaka Royal Festival. The governor Rono Thomas Parapara, I think just then you know what happened to Ajene Ave Chere Dengorini commenting Jizazio and Hapanunzorini. Hey,
the charity was not an issue because now it was not an issue. That's what I'm saying. That's what was angry. There is one in Becca stand. I had to choose myself.
I have to choose me over someone else.
The money una the great intentions towards me. Utomaka cherede udaka career yanga. It has nothing to do with that. Now mama tupangabo wamba zungu zitunga lingwe CI. None of that is true. So cherede never, because even I was the one that was even benefiting more. Because he used to do everything. And everything was him. Actually, Togomera situation ingwe ineanga basa mutu. Regardless later guy. Regardless no kuita guy. And I can't kuita. I'm getting zero ranga na zone. Na ukujia zero ranga na zone. Yo stara o ya investor kazi unera kunya kuita zone.
So what can you
I had a problem.
What can you tell him now to conclude the issue?
So just to say to Stan, I think what I can say to him as Natos Dimanuzori is has played a huge role. Currently a professional musician. I became professional because of Stan. Or where common ground. Na nazuna na chirisa zone zino. On yamba kapapalawe and the papala Stan le rotori. Le apisa, le adudera. Everything. There's nothing Chanangachi thought that when you understand this one. Support as a brother, support financially, support as a person outside music. He has to give me all that. And I think I must appreciate him. I think the only thing I can say is thank you to Stan Kova a brother outside of a manager. Kutobori, he was a manager, Akoto a manager artist, and I have a rude kid. I had to be honest with myself. Do I want to be managed? The problem about direction. Sabatu, Namimbu Pambana now. He wanted to take me where I don't feel like I was ready to go, and I wanted to go. So I had to choose myself. So yeah, it was nothing about money.
Because what can you say to Stan? If relationship we have na muntu ne na what can you say ngawo yo muntu avarochira mani attend eso zvakuda kumbezorini relationship yo pera mara ukadivana zigraduate. So you talking a lot ngai it speaks volume ngazone zvina. Royal Gardens 2023 where by chikoro buyangayo there was a Moemish. Actually, a lot of people interpreted it as a Moemish, and like Venda unela zorini muti abe atoto motori he rather rumbo di jera to wana, because a lot of people they were like zuko fana namzaro pe vumangeni yo true. At the end of the day, what happened uri ni ene fhedza khou wana slot tsha 2 and na dzi critics dzoṱhe dzine dzo ḓa after na changes dzine dzo vha hone kha ya 2024 like what happened there?
So 2023 I got booked. After getting booked when I'm most of time slot yawe I got sent here 2. I tried to negotiate. Unfortunately muthu unoita dzi time slot asi vhathu vane vha vhuri buka una dzi section una muthu unoshuma buka muthu na vhathu wa mini so unoshuma ngangizilane zwa muthu dzi yese kana zwoenda tantu zwoenda phone ndezwi diba asi vha venda bala vhathu.
Okay,
so vhathu vha venda vha shuma Nepal na miṅwana baba ko shuma kha Royal. So zwamburi at the end of the day lebe kha 2 so nenga ndirenda ndizvibona ngayo I didn't know kana I didn't think nga 2 those na vhathu ngudzi Royal dzakari kama si arachi na vhathu.
That's what Mbra said or zamsi ri khou thoma ngi it's like 12
Jack Bano we perform to nga 3-4 nga ṅwaha wawo ibili na van rep 585 bachi perform nga masiara simedza chivoda so na nne na sina mumburo for me it was not a bad thing because ndasa uri dance na vhathu regardless ndije kana usina vhathu the first story I have to give it my all the performance or perform because don't for time slot I have to be professional about it because so already because now asina vhathu zvaonzo ita problem I never viewed it as that and as respect and vakapoint ne tingomenda tati kuita mini ndiko unyago urwa navo vuyi avonela situation ya affect ambudzo ri ovona uri ngari ndichiko perform ari nimsendere nga mpani uri that was my biggest song at the moment nga udoita amba busiku achiri udoita amba busiku next thing buya mfenera ramna udoita ambela track sazona mbiza zona mandikonyaka nishitoita mini nishito perform and that's what I did ndasongo to we wanga Royal I was just performing so you know already cassette ya buyi. Okay. Yizwera rozhambalela do kumbera and then the performer I never said anything. I think it's just about para ngwaona kwatevera ba kono mfarazo I'm sure buvara zwe babara vujia zwe bajia next year bachintoda zvazvo to ba even I was an ambassador marketing wa Royal because was one already the way I also dealt with the situation so I got paid for branding for ambassador and also got paid their performance. So with me it's like it happened for a reason. Also zovapa respect wakuno respect ora mtu kana zvamburu ubig wafuni wanga vatu. So I think for me zvakoroteo zvite ezwa zvithu I never looked at it as boita Moemish kamenduri boita zvebaba kopfonga ri zvanga itango I don't think na performance ngati vachidura dasina vatu. Unfortunately vo vatu zvizvo zvinochinja after corona vatu avachaya groove early as they used to go back then and bone zvambo vabomburu ai utodivona vatu
unoritadziwa be ibe ri museyote zvo zvichita yai auna chishina chari chichikuita at the present ne awana ori ni huna kuvonera kopeya maho mapungo manje atoda moment unopira no wanda netwa mini like that thing but as one emotionally like
kuvonera kwa zvithu the reason why I always bring something new I'm not scared of zvithu zvisongo atichuwi chithu that's me that's emotionally I'm always prepared namsende chita zvishwai even na ZOZO I thought there was going to be a lot of critics I was ready for it I was ready utoburikana I'm always whatever a person says it's fine I'm on my own journey that borukwete I mean so critics does not move me at all.
Now Ronnie una suzune misi watene bonja watu bachi criticize ndizvo ndinozvibona ngani there was a day Leonard the pusher reaction ya Azati he was wearing like sportswear obambara Adidas ambara track pants ya Nike and I was like this is not how we should wear ndiyada mratu wanga izvi sportswear achamba rusuwe a lot of people came ne vachida vakuri naini ape ndingasivudze ni nyini unonogutisa muthu kuambarere and point of view yanga yova ipiyo palanina when iva nika entertainment industry ine already all these brands are looking at you guys and then advice yanga yaishikobva from my point of view ya entertainment uri nikorwisa brand mbiri dzine ndidzi competitor kamuthu mutihi runene yabona rana anorwa Nike base I'm sure ara Nike base hedzila nthu dziva dzo breakiwa into like continental national hatova na Nike ine ndorwana khamusi kuri fini ya Limpopo fedzi, but the minute they start seeing you unowarwa Nike fedzi, they be like this dude can be branding. Mara vunja vathu vane va vachikobhesha uri ninyini ningapa mntu advise. I was like ndichicheka profile dzavo vote ndiwana ndi vathu vane na space cha entertainment that don't even understand. Ndorini hutodo solve ndava dza entertainment nga ndivo ya xitartani. And what I've seen your social media habe ka social media mwana mwendi expert ndanga to mu rwanga mpama zvino apo huko da vamwe abe urwa muthu nga mpama ndi assault ningafarediwa hune hezwi na hezwi ratwa manga zwa financial huko da mwana bu advice yawo natwa mborini abe una mugede for example owela wa gai ni to vachifini abe ndrini hudzora ka social media like mtu mwana mu una qualification ya chicho na chiyo. So seeing you what the really pass la social media lishimisa hani and na ubona chikadiva ngaendira like it's something chineni ndiyachifuna man. Then beefs hey chidoshinda chidiveri mapungo ajaje until achitova na series ine yozo zvino kumaka mitangano wabwa
4
mtangano 4 okay ubvakado vaone na uchena kadzi beefs. What was the motive behind that thing?
Big Zulu 500 bus 100 bus.
So
yeah, did that. Hip hop was, bro, I love hip hop. Everything I've got ndasatu va sure ndikonya kupusha mini ila chipinga ndakadiva stiff nyano maybe nditete chumira hip hop because I had good motives uri ndingapusha uri hip hop iye it was me and I was doing it for that nini reason why yes that's why ndatotoma mtangano wothoma asi respond asi mini ndikubifa mwana mumwe ndikuita zvona zvimwe zvendapfuri zvingathusa hip hop and then vakhecha vazongokhechawo ndorespond vazvivona sa sport sa metro isoite sesport ari ene achita kazvawo page athoma naye zvino vakhotaselana ndari no naneri zvino sa platform mtanganoni uva ndikurespond but ndadova futi ndahangurisa hanguri mtanganoni ndovhusa hip hop ndidova futi arwa mumwe anera konyagana yachivuwa uri naye ade. So that was the motive and Metro understood the assignment. He was not focused can maybe akurwa and I understood the assignment. Main point was to let hip hop be great again in terms of numbers, in terms of engagement, because those was go give my page over so too many and hip hop. So that was the motive. That's how the series goes, and it was nothing personal, it was nothing mean. That's all you go avoba na matamba. That's all we avoba na any personal engagement here we have on. Now you know that's why when I track here the right way visa you were like I was doing the fene ya goose bana those kind of things. Yeah, so it was this more about pushing it last finger ngorobona Big Zulu zikushuma ka national level of hip hop. I wanted to do it ka local level of van rap. But the way people remember they end up catching feelings. Yeah, Sabatono comes to the field. Yeah, mizo come go to my overcatcher, and then I check it as much when I get there. Kai marandum fesa sa kamburi. Udiwan nedim visa we look for why would I come say bad things about her? They don't go run so mufa into this is what I'm doing. He thought it's coming out of. No, towards him. I understood. I could jury. No, bro. Ni kutoka nyamba ubi what's why? We're not even any right. And then uskari chizo amba sabato wana. No man. This is about pushing the game. Yeah.
Then from there, like I am block or because there was a time. So how
as a blocker. Rushing the punchline and then you over on and the blocker. So literally come blocker. Yes, I come blocker umtu. Akom varela umwe petu. Osika point nzo personal akamize. Abona umwe petu ne luko vareliwa. Reference ndimizo. So literally ni come blocker. Vari dia blocker. Ela ni come blocker. Ndio ni come blocker ni kontiva. Ngomvarela mavoti. Ene munari ndia blocker really blocker ndio blocker ka social mara nene chiri ni kombloka komburu ba kombloka in real life expect.
Okay.
That was how it went.
And then, since it was more of reviving the spirit of hip hop, Venda, Ndivyo line in though it's a game. Yeah, man, and they are rich. Ndivyo line in out of all these things, ngorini nabo je art player ba chidiba one nepala and rabo to dova pura to nana uzbono ngarini ndutamba ka Chipiti une you came aparacha racha charwa ukwenya mulo, like those kind of things. It's nothing personal, but if you're line in you can give props to an artist and and you be like, that was like ba inana mendo zuporia pen game later.
Is doji. So
regardless or it might be Metro, it might be JR, but who can you say I've a long one that's for long before the Jumuzori, and if you're like
I don't think I can say I have a favorite line because with me it was just that is responder, so that's one Nenachi that would respond the same day. Every time I had so it was not it was never I think it was now maybe don't know focus a lot of stuff, so I don't assume ndia dzura pasi ndavandi kutofindia zumbura, so if I have to zingaroto that tomato ndaviva yake la position ina ndikayo or maybe if ndando yembuse dachila simwe kurovu kutofa ngwe ndichibazo kufanana na manda respond zamburi zvivazo konamba zvapira kan, so at this point I don't think there's just that basic line ina ngatoamburi zvino ndengadipfuri mutsindo wova one ichikobviro voto zvino uchana mutsindo nduri,
so people can but vanga didova valavela mitangano ya panda.
Yeah, it's still possible. Still possible. Because ndiyafuna hip hop and
ngadaveri why ndichikubusa so.
Yeah.
Ara una line yenda zviforeni yamfwetu ongwala line ndafore line ndiyava je a player kasadi dzatoya ndo vachiri mangondi is where you belong nina SABC we need to. I'm like, what the fuck? Avula won't travel. I won't try like checking the factory. Mangondi is where you belong. No nene. Like Mangondi is where you belong. No SABC we need to. I was like, hey,
and I'm trying, but it was not to me. The island yuri ambiterena metro.
Ndikachipurisa cha metro.
Like atende domungware
ambiterena metro.
Unazenda mufarera.
Ndikachipurisa cha metro.
Like uzenda mufarera.
Yeah.
Ufara mapurisa ayafara.
Aya ni fara.
Unazenda mufarera.
Zea dozita since ndikachipurisa la metro. I was like, what the fuck?
Like shit, yeah.
So like I put bangwara, bro. Like bangwara when it's too much, man. Ila project ya do vefichi do shiwewe. Ine ya ina the remix ndongo za sing na song. Like your pusher ani basically
I don't like that project. It was about stand about pusher project. Nana kwenye kubisa profit. Stand up against to be support. So it was just stand up for the gimmick thing. And then the chief no push at the gimmick. Mind you, that one is in a project then I look drop and he believe I could drop and so it was not me. So no choose that the I mean it was not
because pour over and then
when you go visa poor get me do. There's a try mat to visa EP it was nyimbo mini so it was not my idea.
Because kind of ipone unambutsa zenda vatu vambudzisa pano namwe mutaone wachinwa pasi one of the best dude vanende vadzura vabehind nakacraft ine vatu vanga vo the gad vadzura zvikosokoramba zvimwe ndezvori ndidzi idea dzavo. He was like couple. You said ndikadibika ndingazvo chido chisabvifesheni ndobvisa vomrepa vonobaiza. Who were you trying to address?
So ndichiri ndobvisa vomrepa vonobaiza memecheni po. I was saying it was still continuing ka series ya dzibifi dzanga nabo metro bojara ngori jara na ndichiri ndintwasa kuri.
Oh yes.
So everyone that's playing ndobvisa vomrepa vonobaiza mimecheni ipo you know so it was yakhorwa jara ndobvisa vomrepa vasakori kana vasetendwe mimecheni that was how I
like yoba muvono wobo. Then checking the factory, you had those kind of beefs naba metro, but at the end abapeza kuva chifuna.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It was never about, it was just to revive hip hop ngechila chipinga ngorusha kwete ngechila chipinga. So it was never about to personal agendas. We had no personal agendas. That's why wherever Metro felt like I could blend, could give a good music, he knew Rude Kid is can fit
sorry.
here.
I'm sorry, you went too hard, Nanepala. I was like, this boy respects craft, bro.
Yeah, we had to, because that's what we do. Nena Metro does rafuna hip hop. We can do anything. Na Metro for hip hop. That's why if we have to feature each other, Ramba something for hip hop, we can do that. If we have to go against each other for hip hop, we can do that.
YouTube channel. Wait a minute,
Metro, I think no address are removed for address. Manozubo no rutonga oba kozamovara chitori akupfuri. Mfetu kobuya yako zamovara chitori I posta ngotabanya ngoro sendirwa ngamwe I posta ngotabanya, so it was another way of trying to silence me ngoro actually divazori if I post something zvabe zvavakanengi fene dzanga dzi high pipeline zido high zvikomuitera problem.
Then he
so
took it
way yori that's how you ngari ene munhu unoipfura ngoro unoifa asichava na impact akoshavuri vatu vadomu Vruvai. That was his.
But the process of recording music, it's long, man. Like team in no one kushuma na but that time, obabonisani like no obabonisani, because it's a song you wrote what you wrote, then you recorded, but at the end, project ya Bob Vasili na Rudla.
Yeah, oba umutwenda I'm so kabatwenda ndo msendera odijia pa moto tumostaberera because with me I was like it happens. That's how I am. And then the Bachelor Spinga, I'm going to drop. I was supposed to record it, but I was like, no, I'm focusing on the wrong things now. The pushes and then go push us on. So
though it was a matter of game, can you say like you did that, like you won that battle?
It was never intention was never about winning. It was about
reviving the spirit of hip hop.
It was not growing. Was couple nature grow that's what it trauma. We did what we did, but it's just not
Nah, man, I think kwama zuzatizune rakufisa rekodi zvikwama nganda freestyle.
And I want to
man. Okay.
Okay. Fast. Do you have any words you want me to put in? Because now it's freestyle.
RR behind the camera.
Okay.
Nipingin. Adolf from Reba. Okay, Ronaldo from Reba. Na RR. Ne angatizo korompanga rako funa. Okay, Rasman. I don't know. Yeah. So. No, cut him. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Nari, the Monday with the flow and the flow. Yeah. I think now it's time to go. Linga MTN everywhere you go. Mbona musim chidoshi koposa the flow down. Jota dum datamara na mandavuya. Bakorindo tuwa kai popundo vuya. Ndavuya na ZOZO sera zivuya. Mbona no duma bandi ba makuya. Ndikobona oronga new balance. New flow na ZOZO ndi new balance. Babuze nezori chidoshi these days chibo bukwa kachota ninga check up balance. Na bene teacher share.
So
ukomba na stena ngorera cho share. Nabasidzana musadze tiko share. Ndacheka tiko leri wangori tiko share de. Abe mudzimonde chidoshi mamta. Ufuna nama na vorosi mamta. Kadzi flow ndi ya baka. Ungari ndi mafini kana ndi zvikonsi mamta. I was trying to say ndi na fire. Ngone babu dzonure chidoshi chifaya. Ndikuvaya ndikuvra freestyle ndikuvaya. Ngorika camera behind ndi RR.
Anyway, so she does also forgot. Like how did you came with all these things.
It was a slang, more like this is dope, lit.
Yeah.
How's the slang? So chidoshi is a slang. Ine abaiko ambakana ibaiko resemble. Excellent rangari. Nobody feeling it. So kole amba lisa ambi. Mara litera meaning.
Okay.
It's a slang.
Yeah.
We don't know where dope came from. Man, the slang chabana meaning. So the slang just go code as you to real.
Like OkrasmountzioN.
Na flow that chidoshi. So this is dope. The dope ndira kana
extremely
nduri luntu engedza nduri ndi ngachivenda uphi chilime chiri china chava chiko exaggerate mananisi linanisa ukhoda ndari mudzimu ndichidoshe kuri mudzimu extremely
so like also ko hulekanya ndi muhulu
sesesa so ndavenda chiri ndichidoshi dai hefoni ndichidoshi ndikoihurisa kupurisa chimwe nachimwe chine ndangachikompera nacho
because I couldn't understand it. I was like chidoshi
yeah, it's a slang because now I'm all about bringing new stuff, so I was like no ndingasotondigoita maipfa vamwe vathu I create my own inene ndadochira ngayo and zino watu vachambidza rudekid naonovi chidoshi so Kid Venda, it's a brand. It isn't for rudekid. So chimdzimu ndichidoshi, it has nothing to do. I'm not calling myself Urindi Mudzimu. I'm complimenting Mudzimu. Chidoshi will never be my stage name. Kid Venda is my stage name. Chidoshi is just a slang I created. Tobori batu wambudizi wona bala andi chidoshi. Ngoto mo pa chidoshi nganne. That's why bachi bofunga ri andi chidoshi. Chidoshi. Yeah.
But am I the one ananda kufunga freestyle watuku? Am I the only one?
Thomas it.
Tangani got
Thomas it. Thomas it.
So
Thomas it. I gotta go, you know.
Number one, nikare zichigorira man.
Nikare zichigorira.
Kabisa.
This mic.
Mroto wangu roshimesa. Do aho vandichirini ndikozvipfa velo rono. Ono. Adam fona chinepe cha thumbnail. Chinera do chita. Mratu wanga liko mlamba mkomano wanga lungana because mwana mwani mkomana. Mkomana.